Hi, I'm Dave. Lance and I go way back, from the Olympics in '96 to the Postal and Discovery days, and now we do. After close to 20 years on the road, we thought it would be fun to take a look behind the curtain. We'll share some tips and tricks on the bike, talk to a few people I've met along the way, and who knows what else. I'm totally making this up as I go. We've talked enough about bike washing and working on the bike, putting on tires, blah, 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 race food. Let's talk about some fun stuff. One of my recent favorite drinks is Bourbon Sour. So thought I would just kind of sit down and show you how I like to make mine. So I've already cut a lemon in half. I'm gonna take a little bit of the rind here. I'm gonna put a little bit on the rim of the glass, throw that in. I got a nice Luxardo cherry here. Always buy Luxardos, they're totally worth it. This is pretty easy. Take 2 ounces of bourbon. You can do this in a shaker, or you can do it in a stirring pitcher like I like to do. But basically, 2 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of lime juice. Get a nice big, lemon. Get a nice big, get a Meyer lemon if you can. They're really mild and sweet and good. So to your 2 ounces of bourbon, add your 1 ounce of lemon juice. And then a really nice maple syrup. I like a dark, real Canadian, or northern US, Maine, or New York, or I'm talking to you, Matt McGinty. You owe me some maple syrup. Well, you don't owe me any maple syrup, but I will take all that you will send. So 1/2 to 3/4 of an ounce. The real recipe says 3/4. I like a little bit less. To that, add a little bit of ice. Give it a nice little stir. Strain it into your nice big chunk of ice. I make my own, if you notice. I make my own little, I'm that much of a dork. I make my own little toothpicks out of bike spokes. I don't do used ones, although I guess that would be more, a little more eco-friendly to use an older bike spoke. But there you have it, Bourbon Sour.